Hello everyone, today I'm sharing my 1 week experience with the Tecno Spark Go 2. First off, I was surprised to find out it has an infrared sensor. Yeah, an IR blaster. I thought only expensive phones had it. This is one of the reasons why I bought it, and I'm currently using it to control our air conditioner at home since the remote broke. Now about the camera. It's okay in good lighting, but in low light, it's not so great. It doesn't have a pro mode for videos, but only for photos. And honestly, the microphone quality is pretty bad. Take a listen to this video sample. So this is what the selfie camera looks like on the Tecno Spark Go 2. Looks okay. You need a lot of good lighting, but the microphone is really bad. So you can't do a vlog on this. You need an external microphone. So this is what the camera looks like in 2K. A little bit of jittery going on. Looks okay. The variant I have has 3 GB of RAM, and although it has a fusion option to increase the memory, I prefer not to enable it because I heard it's not good for the phone storage over time. Performance-wise, it's still quite fast for everyday tasks in my experience. The battery is amazing, it lasts me all day. Unless I'm using it to play Mobile Legends all day long, then it will drain faster. I usually charge it with this U-Green power bank, and it shows that it's charging at 9 volts, which means it supports fast charging. When fast charging, I keep the phone case off and place a small fan nearby. It helps with the heat. It's nothing too serious, but I like to do it. It comes with a charger, but it only supports up to 10 watts of charging. That's okay though, because I actually prefer 10 watts as fast charging can reduce battery life over time. Although it supports 120 Hz refresh rate, I choose to use it at 60 Hz. It remains smooth and it also helps to extend the battery life. The phone has dual speakers that are loud, but they're not perfectly balanced. One side is slightly louder than the other. Sometimes the sound can be a bit weird, so I recommend using DTS music mode with traditional stereo sound and also boosting the bass and treble for better listening experience. Overall, I think this is a great choice for a secondary phone. Reliable with decent camera quality and good lighting, really good battery life, and cool features like the infrared sensor. That's my quick review after 1 week with the Tecno Spark Go 2. If you're looking for an affordable phone that gets the job done, I think this one is worth considering. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.